क्या आप देश और दुनिया की खबरों से रह जाते हैं बेखबर? तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए हमारे HT न्यूज चैनल को और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Say we are at the top of our game. It's you can't judge a team's dominance with 7 games. You're talking about a West Indies side which did it for 15 years. So when we all are close to retiring, maybe then you ask me this question, how the decade has gone of playing together, but not 7 games. So 7 years, yes, but not 7 games. I think there's still a bit of time to go for that. But we're quite excited about how we are playing and what the challenges are. Going forward, we'll be playing in New Zealand now. So now the frame of mind is to get to the next series in Test cricket, and not like we finished playing at home, let's see what happens abroad. We are waiting to play Test cricket. So I think that mindset has changed, and now we know if we play well, we can win anywhere in the world, and that's a very exciting and a very nice feeling to have within the change room.
विराट बधाई हो आपको। दर्शक लोग बहुत खुश हैं आपकी बार, ये डे एंड नाइट मैच है यहाँ पे। लेकिन एक छोटी सी लड़की पिंकी, उसका नाम, उसने पूछा मुझे कि पिंक गेंद से क्यों खेल रहे हैं। तो मैं बोला भाई आपकी बार मुझे मालूम है विराट जी से पूछने लग रहे। तो उनका कहना था कि दिन में आप लाल बॉल से खेलिए और रात को सफ़ेद से खेलिए। उसको बोलती है रात मुझे गेंद दिखती नहीं है पिंक। तो मैं बोला भाई ये एक सजेशन है कि why not we can play morning with the red ball and night with the white ball.
So white ball white कपड़ों में दिखेगा नहीं, मतलब दिन में पिंक बॉल नहीं दिखेगा, रात में व्हाइट बॉल नहीं दिखेगा, तो फिर एक दिन का टेस्ट मैच हो जाएगा 3 दिन की जगह। हम लोग भी 50-60 में आउट हो जाएंगे।
Virat, 360 points in the World Test Championship after 3 series. Given the gap between the top 3-4 teams and the rest, do you think the World Test Championship from its next cycle onward should have 2 divisions?
I think a more balanced format would be 1 series home, 1 away. Because look, as I said, we are playing very good cricket, but we played only 2 tests away in the Test Championship. And you're talking about an Ashes that happened, which we saw the level of cricket and the intensity at which those series were played. Pakistan's playing in Australia, first time in the Test Championship. So it's very difficult to judge a team. You can praise our team on our performance, yes, but to say that we are dominating like no other team is a very subjective thing to think of, because if we have played 3 series so far, maybe if 4 series were 2 home, 2 away, and we had 300 points, then you can say, yes, we're playing really well. But we are definitely playing good cricket, but I don't think there should be any kind of tags attached to any team. In the Test Championship, anything, even if we make the finals, there's only 1 game, so whoever plays well win the championship. So it doesn't matter how many points you have at the end of the day. You have to play good cricket to win. But yeah, a good format would be 1 home, 1 away, and then you keep that balance and